To simplify this one, let's first apply the general radical property to split the radical parts. So we have square root of x to the 14, square root of y to the 11th, and square root of z to the 23rd. Next, since we're taking square roots, you need to make sure that the exponents are even plus 1, or just even. For example, the first one, x raised to the power 14, the exponent is already even, so when we take a square root, we simply divide that exponent 14 by 2. So that will be x to the 7th. The next one, y to the 11th, has an odd exponent, so we're going to split it into even plus 1. So in this case, it will be 10 plus 1. So you have square root of y to the 10th and square root of y to the 1st. We do the same thing for z to the 23rd. We're going to split it into square root of z to the 22nd times square root of z to the 1st. And of course, that first exponent, that 1, you don't need to write. I just write it here for demonstration purpose. Next, let's keep going. So x to the 7th, still x to the 7th. Square root of y to the 10th, because the even exponent, we're going to divide that exponent by 2, so it becomes y to the 5th. And then you have square root of y. Next one, square root of z to the 22nd becomes z to the 11th. And then finally, you have square root of z. For the last step, we're going to reorganize the different factors that we see right here. All the numbers that are not underneath the square root, we put them together. So x to the 7th, y to the 5th, z to the 11th. And then the two factors that are under the square root, we put them together, square root of y times z. And this is our final answer for this one.